Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a Vanguard Roth IRA. We will cover the fundamental aspects of this powerful retirement account. A Roth IRA lets you contribute money you've already paid taxes on, allowing your investments to grow completely tax-free. This means when you take out your money in retirement, you won't owe any taxes on the earnings. It's a fantastic way to build a secure financial future, especially for long-term savings goals. Opening your Vanguard Roth IRA is a straightforward process. You can easily complete the application online in about 15 minutes. You'll need your Social Security number and your bank account information to fund your initial investment. Vanguard is known for its wide selection of low-cost investment options, including popular index funds and exchange-traded funds, making it simple to start building a diversified portfolio right away. Once your Roth IRA is open, the next step is to choose your investments. Vanguard offers excellent options like target date retirement funds, which automatically adjust over time, or broad market, exchange-traded funds for simple diversification. Aim to spread your investments across various asset classes to reduce risk. Regularly reviewing and rebalancing your portfolio, perhaps once a year, helps ensure it stays aligned with your long-term financial goals. Managing your Roth IRA involves understanding contribution deadlines and withdrawal rules. You can contribute to your account up until the tax filing deadline for the previous year. For tax-free and penalty-free withdrawals of earnings, you must be at least 59.5 years old and have held the account for at least 5 years. Early withdrawals of earnings, however, might be subject to income tax and a 10% penalty, so plan carefully.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.